Hello again, it's Florian Stollmayer. I'm on the way to reach the Bavaria, the statue of Bavaria. This is here the Bavaria, the statue of the Bavaria. It's a female representation of the homeland of his state. At the same time, it's the patron saint of Bavaria, which plays a big role in this wildly conservative and Roman Catholic state of Bavaria. The statue was built between the years 1843 to 1850 by Johann Baptist Stiegelmeier, a Bavarian sculptor. Hello again, it's Florian Stollmayer. I really hope you have enjoyed this video about the statue of the Bavaria. The statue is one of the major symbols of Bavaria, and it serves as a representation of this beautiful state in southern Germany. For more profound information on the Oktoberfest, please check out my brand new book, Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest, available on Amazon.com. You can find the link below. Servus, für Gott und auf Wiedersehen.